So, hello guys, Deepak Yadvanshi this side. Those IELTS trainer. Recently I got a 7.5 band in my IELTS exam. दोस्तों आज मैं आपको कुछ IELTS कोर्स के बारे में बताने जा रहा हूँ। दोस्तों जैसे कि मैं आजकल ऑफलाइन कोर्सेज ले रहा हूँ, तो मैंने डिसाइड किया है कि मैं कुछ फ्री IELTS कोर्सेज यूट्यूब पे शेयर करूँगा, जैसे कि क्यू कार्ड के बारे में, इंट्रोडक्टरी क्वेश्चंस के बारे में, राइटिंग्स के बारे में, हाउ टू डील विद द राइटिंग्स, और मैं आपको टेम्पलेट्स प्रोवाइड करूँगा फ्री में, हाउ टू डील विद द रीडिंग्स। सो इन चीज़ों को अगर आप क्रैम कर चले जाते हैं तो आप डेफिनेटली 7 से 7.5 बैंड अचीव कर सकते हैं। यू स्कोर ईजिली योर डिज़ायर बैंड. So today we talk about some introductory questions which help to increase your vocabulary and enhance your band score. दोस्तों ये 150 क्वेश्चंस हैं, इन्हीं में से जो है इंटरव्यूअर आपको पूछेगा। मैंने 2 टाइम्स टेस्ट दिया है, और जो मैंने अपने स्टूडेंट्स के एनालाइज़ किया है, यूट्यूब से एनालाइज़ किया है, रिसर्च किया है, मुझे पता लगा है कि इन 50 क्वेश्चंस में ही हमारा जो पेपर आता है। सो स्टार्ट करते हैं। पहला क्वेश्चन होगा, कुड यू टेल मी योर फुल नेम प्लीज? ओके, यू कैन से दैट, वेल माई नेम इज दीपक ढिल्लो, you just call my first name Deepak. Okay, do you like your name? You say that yes, my name is my identity, and it was given to my parents. And you can also say it was a unique name because there is a nostalgic memory attached with it. So many things you can say that make authentic बनाइए, vocabulary यूज़ कीजिए अगर आप एक अच्छा स्कोर बैंड अचीव करना चाहते हैं। उसके बाद लिखिए उसके बाद इंटरव्यू अगर पूछता है आपको, कैन आई सी योर ID कार्ड, आप कह सकते हैं yes, here is my passport which I use for registration. Okay, so fourth question है, are you student? आप कह सकते हैं yes, I am a student, recently I completed my senior secondary education and now I'm planning to go abroad for higher studies. So fifth question है, where are you from? Well, I belong to a beautiful city, Taran, which is situated 25 kilometers away from Amritsar, and it is a northern part of Punjab. And enough. Okay. उसके बाद आप कह सकते हैं कैन आई सी, अगर आपको पूछता है कैन आई सी योर पासपोर्ट, यस आप कह सकते हैं इट्स माई प्लेजर। यहाँ तो आप कह सकते हैं यस हियर इट इज़, यहाँ आप कह सकते हैं यस इट इज़ माई पासपोर्ट विच आई यूज़ फॉर रजिस्ट्रेशन ऑनलाइन। ओके, उसके बाद डिस्क्राइब द एरिया यू लिव इन। आप कह सकते हैं आई लिव इन अ पोश एरिया वेयर ऑल फैसिलिटीज़ like regular supply of electricity, water, and the well-maintained park and the roads are provided. Apart from this, the transportation and education system are well-maintained. Okay, and what did you choose to live in? Why did you choose to live in that area? So you can say that, well, the major reason to live in, because I live since my birth. It is my birthplace, and it is the same place where I brought up, and moreover there are all kind of certain facilities available, so I enjoy to living there. What kind of people living in your area? Well, most of the people are educated, helpful, and have the civic sense, not literal in the locality. They have a responsible citizen of the society. Okay, why do you like the place? Well, I like the place because the so many facilities. Secondly, the neighborhood are very good, the education system are very fantastic. So this was the reason I like this place. Okay, डाउन हो गया था. So let's start. The other topic is, how do you prefer to find a job in your country? So you can say that, like most people, I prefer to have job, and there are many types of apps are available in my country, like Naukri.com, Job Portal, which help me a lot to find a good job. Is it easy to find a job in your country? Well, India is a very large population, so the competition is very vast. But the getting a good job is little bit risky, but not impossible. How do people prepare student to get a job they like? Prepare their student in a various way to get job they are already aspired. For instance, they groom their personality, they also hold various seminar for the student, and also they organize a vocational training to improve the personality and the employability level of the student. Okay, so other is, what improvement should schools have to identify student talent? So I think students should improve the way they hold curriculum activity with the academic, because it increase because in this way schools institution know about the strength and weakness of the student. When they participate in a various different types of games and extracurriculum activity, they know about the extraordinary talent, and they when they follow it, they become a proficient in the field. Why do you think about public holiday? Well, public holiday are the common celebration on various occasions and very important for the integrity and the harmony of the society. Do you think there are enough public holiday? Yes, I think there are enough public holiday regarding different religions, culture, and festivals. Do you like photographs? Yes, I like photographs because they refresh my memory and give me happiness. Okay, is photograph a good profession in your country? Yes, because the media cannot exist without photography, and you also say that media photographic is a very lucrative job these days, and due to digitalization, in internet and the photos are very important these days. So we can say that it is a very good job and among youngster, and it is commonly used in every field. Explain the climate of your town. Well, the climate of my town is quite extreme. It is hot in summer and is cold in winter. Discuss the type of food Indian like. Well, Indian like traditional food, and the all state have a different taste because India is a multicultural society. Okay, so I find the next topic is, so describe the most memorable point of my life. Well, the most memorable point of my life was when I planned to migrate for a better future, and sometime my 80th birthday is also more memorable when I turned to 18 years old, and there is a huge party organized by my family, a DJ band come, and I really enjoy this party. Do men and women spend their leisure time in different way? Well, I think gender base is decreasing day by day, and leisure time is mostly depend on the personal choice. But I think women spend most of the time in household chores, kitchen, and television. But men's are mostly follow their hobbies and leisure activity like swimming, cricket, football, and indoor games. What is your favorite relative? Well, it is a very good question. My favorite relative is my maternal uncle. The name of the uncle is Paramjit Singh, who migrated to Canada, and he is a doctor. And whenever I face any problem, I take advice from him, and he is a very good experience of their life. He always give me a good advice for my career, and now I moved to Canada for higher study, and he suggested me to this career. So thanks for my uncle who helped me a lot. Which is better, single gender education and co-education? Guys, co-education is that when females and male is study together, just like a school. But single gender education is just like a school is only male, school is only female. So in my opinion, co-education is better because it gives a sense of competition and discipline. Every both male and female gender are studied together, and they have an opportunity to understand each other potential. And when they talk to each other, the hesitation of opposite gender has decreased, and it also increased the respect of other gender. So I think coordination school is much better than single school. What are the reason of difference between parents and children? Well, actually, the major reason of differences between generation gap, they not able to understand to each other, the understandability of very less. So I think it's create a difference between the offspring and the parents. What is the role of extracurricular activity in school and colleges? Well, extracurricular activity is so much popular these days, and it helps to teach discipline and cultural tolerance. It also helps students to expand their network. They have a when we interact with the different peers, we become a extrovert person. Our confidence level is increased, and it is also beneficial for career opportunities. उसके बाद है, what is the better option, staying in a hotel or staying at a home while studying? Well, it is a quite debatable question because both have their different benefits. Staying in a hotel make us self-dependent and confident and most organized, but it is a much costly because we pay rent and fees for a hotel. But house, on the other hand, it gives a protection and sense of belongingness and also comfort. So it's depend on the person what is they feel more comfort. What do you have to say about Indian student migrated to foreign countries for higher study? I would say that Indian students are always have a job perspective student. They always sorry, we can say that they are very potential student. They always found to a better opportunity for them. And the other reason is the education system of my India is not much better than the abroad countries. So this is the also reason the quality education of the development country attract the international, especially Indian students. So now move to some other question that is मैं ढूंढ रहा हूँ. सो दोस्तों ऐसे क्वेश्चंस जो आएंगे और दोस्तों यही क्वेश्चन आप कर लो, आपको ये बहुत ही हेल्पफुल होंगे. और आई प्रूव करता हूँ कि यही क्वेश्चन अगर आप करके जाते हो तो यू गॉट अ 6.57 बैंड, योर डिज़ायर बैंड यू अचीव. कनाडा के लिए तो 6 ही चाहिए, यू अचीव इजीली योर डिज़ायर बैंड. जस्ट यू हैव अ कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल होनी चाहिए. दोस्तों मैं भी जब मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम दिया था तो मेरे ओवरऑल 6 आए थे, बट जब मैंने सेकेंड टाइम दिया तो वही स्पाइक होकर 7.5 हो गया. ये तभी हुआ क्योंकि मैंने अपने आप को एनालाइज किया कि मेरी गलतियां क्या है. मैंने अपने कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल को बढ़ाया, मैं ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस करने लगा क्योंकि उस टाइम मेरे में जिद आ गई थी कि यार इतना ब्रिलियंट स्टूडेंट होने के बाद भी अगर तू फेल हो सकता है तो दूसरों का क्या होगा. उसी दिन मैंने ठाना कि मैं अच्छा स्कोर बैंड कर अच्छी स्कोरिंग करूँगा और उसके बाद मैं लोगों को सिखाऊंगा कि हाउ द अदर पर्सन स्कोर अ हाई बैंड. सो discuss the health education facilities in your area. Well, as I mentioned you, I live in a posh area which is all facilities are available. So in my area the majority of people are healthy and literate because the education and healthcare system is well maintained and fantastic. They fulfilling and there are many well reputed institutes who fulfill the education need of the student. Do you want any change to be introduced to your area? Well, I think there are many potholes on the road, and the infrastructure of my city is also not well maintained. So I think I would change in drainage quality, the sewerage system, transportation system. Apart from this, the parking facilities are also not good. If I got opportunity, I improve as much as my city and make a metropolitan city like Amritsar and Ludhiana. So how is the public transport in your area? Well, luckily the public transport in my area is well connected. But there are sometimes the buses and trains are delay on their time, but they are well connected. People are happy with the facilities. How does modern lifestyle lead to health related disease? Well, a modern lifestyle result in a lead to a high stress level and depression because people are very busy and hustle and bustle. So they have always have their workload because they not complete their accomplish their task on time. So this was a situation why people undergo from depression, insomnia, anxiety. So why do you think lives more healthy life, a person living in a city or village? Well, as you know, the health of person depend on the lifestyle, but the village people are more healthy because their surrounding is a greenery with a tree and they interact with the more and more people, and they are more happy than the city people because city people are always with a stress workload, they are feeling sad, disappointed. And the other reason, you know, that the pollution level of city is so high, so we can say that the rural people are happier and healthier. Is it advisable to go for a regular body checkup? So, as we know, the prevention is better than cure. So, regular checkup help to detecting any disease in the first stage. How many hours do you think person should work? Well, it's depend on the person energy level and nature of work, but I think 10 to 12 hours work is a ideal work. And it also depend on the deadline, how much deadline should be assigning by the boss. And sometime the assignment is short, so they can complete in a very short time. And apart from this, they also depend on the how much person how much earn in their life. It also depend. So so let's talk about movies. Do you think film on real life events or history should be made? Yes, I think uh, movies mostly reflect the society, uh, reflect the culture and tradition of my country, and it gives us deep knowledge about a period of time which are not familiar with. And it also talk about the past event which we not see it in past. And so I think it is a very helpful if movies are made on a various type of historical and well-known people. It also it is a motivation factor for the student also. Let's talk about meditation. Do you prefer meditating? Yes, sometime I do, because it is very interesting. It helps to enhance my concentration level. Whenever I feel pressurized over the weekday study, I like to meditate 20 to 30 minutes. It helps to relieve from my stress, and it is a very, very fantastic tool. So what type of program are popular in your country? Well, program like daily show, comedy show, and reality. सॉरी वो क्वेश्चन आगे चला गया था. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट दी नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज 102 पे हम पहुंच चुके हैं. सो दोस्तों, खुश हो जाइए, थोड़े से क्वेश्चन रह गए हैं, ज़्यादा नहीं रह गए. सो व्हाट इज़ द फ्यूचर ऑफ मेडिटेशन? सो as you know, the stress level of the person are very high these days. So I think the future of meditation is bright and popular. What do people in your area to get relaxation? Well, people like to do a various type of activity. They go for a jogging, they interact with the people, the society, community. And like old people go for yoga and laughter exercise is so much popular these days. And while children play on swing and enjoy sliding in the park, and they do a various type of workout to relieve from the stress level. What are the effect of stress on people? Well, to be honest, stress has a very hazardous effect on your health, such as it increase the depression, anxiety, insomnia, and negativity in life. So, as much you possible, you decrease your negativity level in your life, and you become an optimistic person. What are the various reasons for stress? Well, in my opinion, a lack of management of time and overload of work. And nowadays increasing of targets are very popular. People are not achieve their target on time, so it is the main reason for stress. But it is also depend on the person why he taking stress. So in future, what type of activity do you think will be popular? Well, I think indoor activity is more popular in future due to digitalization. People, pupils, children are like to playing different types of games, which is so much popular in India. And like Ludo's, ladder, and various type of Rubik Cube game is so much popular these days. I also like to play a Rubik Cube. Do you play Rubik Cube? Okay. So what are the benefit of outdoor activities? So the benefit of outdoor activity is, firstly, you make a healthy person. Your immunity level is increased, your stamina increase, give us a different environment. You inhale a purified air when you interact with the nature, because nature give us birth and keep us physically fit. What are the few outdoor activities? Well, popular outdoor activity include cricket, football, gymnastic, going for a walk, jogging, yoga, कुछ भी कह सकते हैं. It's depend on you, what you like. ऐसा कुछ बोलिए कि जिससे यार जो और कोई बंदे कॉमन ना बोलते हो. आपका कुछ यूनिक होना चाहिए बंदे. अगर आप में यूनिकनेस है तो you get your desired talent. Okay? So define true friendship. Well, in my opinion, a true friendship has complete understanding and compatibility and unconditional love. Okay, so how do you manage dispute in your friendship? Well, manage dispute in my friendship by resolving any misunderstanding through confrontation. मतलब मैं डिस्प्यूट को कैसे मैनेज करता हूँ, मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग को रिजॉल्व करके, फ्रंट टू फ्रंट बात करके. ओके. डू यू टेक एडवाइस फ्रॉम पीपल अदर देन फैमिली मेम्बर? वेल, yes, I sometimes I take advice from my teacher, because even my family, my relatives, I always take advice from those person who is expert on this situation. Okay, like recently when I have confused which stream is best for me, I took advice from my cousin who already completed their his senior secondary education. So he advised me to take a commerce stream because I want to become a businessman. So that is a better stream and there is a wide variety of future opportunities for me. So that's why I chose, and that's why I got a 90% in my commerce. So whose advice do youngsters follow more, friends or family members? Well, in my opinion, youngsters trust their friend blindly rather than the family member, because friends are the better companion and they understand better than family. Don't mind, but in the today era, youngsters have mostly belief and trust and easily share their secret with their friends. So we can say that, and it's depend on you. You also say family, parents, immediate family. So I not say you say only. Alright, okay. Which advertisement according to you have a better effect, TV or newspaper, and why? Well, newspaper is so much popular these days to expose a new product, but I feel advertise on TV has a better effect because of our audio visual options. We have a better understanding today era when we have an option of a video, just like a video and just like a audio. Okay. Should companies hire celebrities for advertisement? Yes, companies should hire celebrities and social influencer for promoting their product and reach their product for ultimate consumer. And because you know that celebrities are role model of the consumer and the public, so people can easily trust their celebrities and role model, and this is the way the company can earn profit in the long run. So what were your hobby in childhood days? Well, there are many alterations are coming in my hobbies, but in my childhood I used to play with toys and I like to play reading. Outdoor activities I like, and watching TV is really amazing. I watch various type of cartoons like Shota Beam, Tom and Jerry. Uh, are the hobbies of boys different from those girls? Well, hobbies are not based on gender. This activity depend on the interest of a particular pupil, because every pupil have a some individual choice and perspective, like but we can say that like women's and girl mostly like to play with dolls and toys, but boys are interact with the friends and like to play outdoor activities like cricket, football, and they also play with toys. सो हम 120 क्वेश्चन हमने कंप्लीट कर लिए हैं, तो बस थोड़े से रह गए हैं. सो व्हाट वर योर हॉबी, सॉरी, आर द हॉबी ऑफ, सॉरी ये भी कर लिया है. डू द हॉबी डिस्ट्रैक्ट द अटेंशन ऑफ चिल्ड्रन फ्रॉम स्टडी? वेल, आई फील hobby is a way to refresh the mind. It is a distract and hamper the student, because after the whole day of study our mind is not work. So interesting hobby is increase the curiosity of people and student to doing more and more activity, and it refresh our mind and entertain us. So will, which is the best source of getting news, TV, the newspaper, and radio? Well, radio is so much traditional these days. People are very less people are used, but I think TV is the best source of getting news because it is a audio visual mode, and second they have a fast breaking news service, and apart from this there is a variation in the news, variation in the daily news. Okay, we have a varieties of option of daily news. Okay, so will newspaper lose their importance in future? Well, since the newspaper have a large number of reader, and most of the people like to read newspaper with a cup of tea, and it is so much popular these days. No doubt television and internet have a very drastic change, have a upturn in some recent year due to internet, but it is a very immature and level. It has far and wide reach and a traditional way of getting in touch with the world. So I think newspaper never lose their share, and it also increase with their reader. So can the interest replace the newspaper? सॉरी इंटरनेट रिप्लेस द न्यूज़पेपर. मैंने इतनी क्वेश्चन बोल लिए हैं कि यार अब मैं मेरी भी प्रोनाउंसिएशन में फ़र्क पड़ रहा है, तो सॉरी दोस्तों अगर कोई फ़र्क पड़ रहा हो, अल्ट्रेशन हो जाता है यार, मैं भी स्टूडेंट हूँ आपके जैसा ही हूँ. ओके, सो इन माई ओपिनियन द इंटरनेट कैन नॉट रिप्लेस द न्यूज़ पेपर इन द नियर फ्यूचर because all have a different benefits and choice. Because internet is in developing stage and newspaper already have a large number of readers, and as you know people are really enjoying the cup of tea with reading newspaper. So last रह गया है, थम थाम के अपने सीने को बैठ जाइए. So what type of program are popular in your country? Well, program like daily soaps, comedy show, stand up comedy shows and reality shows competitions are extremely popular. You know stand up is very popular in YouTube. You also say YouTube is so much popular. Reality show, comedy show, live show. So how many hours in a day should a child watch television? Well, I am not recommended to children to watch a television because it lead to a sedentary lifestyle, and I think children should not watch television more than 1 to 2 hours because it lead to a eyesight problem. Does watching television affect the behavior of children? Yes, I think children now television nowadays increase the violence movies and comedy shows which hamper the behavior of the children. And we also notice that offsprings are now become more irritated and arrogant. They're they are not treating good with their family member. So I think they are badly affect the children. What are the effect of television on new generation? Well, the new generation, we call this stay updated and getting awareness from television. Well, television is a very good tool to getting the updated from the news and new information. And we have a now audio visual method, so we also have a depth knowledge about the some assigned task. So you can say that. You also add some your perspective. I add only my perspective. It is my normal vocabulary. I'm not used such a huge vocabulary and some vast vocabulary. So दोस्तों अगर आपको मेरी मेहनत अगर आपको अच्छा लगा हो, मेरी वीडियो लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें, अभी ख़त्म नहीं हुआ. So what should the government do to increase the popularity of radio? Well, I think government, you know, radio is the popularity of the radio is very affected by the television. But I think government should introduce a new type of interesting show on radio, because you know in nowadays people mostly radio is used by those person who not afford the television. So I think radio is also good tool for entertainment and relaxation. And you can also say that television mostly distract the person, so radio is the best tool for entertainment who do not want to distract. What type of program should be broadcasted more on radio? Well, program that are only entertain people but also increase their knowledge and make them aware about the world should be broadcasted more on the radio. Recently, the Narendra Modi launched a Swachh Bharat Yojana Abhiyan, which is broadcasted on radio. You can see that. What are the advantage offered by radio over TV? Well, as you mentioned, radio is a pocket friendly. It is also good source of information. There is only visual mode of visual mode. It has not any it is only audio mode of option. So you can only entertain by visualizing himself, by hearing, by listening it. You also listen music on the radio. So what are the reason behind noise pollution? Well, various reason behind the noise pollution, such as loudspeaker, DJ pressure, loud horns, which is coming from the big vehicles, construction side responsible for the noise pollution. Because I also noticed that I living in a new colony, so there is a many under construction. There are many types of sounds are coming of machinery, so it distract to my from my study. So sometime I go for my library, which is located in my town center. So I'm concentrate on my study. So you can say that you add an example which enhance your enhance your exam marks. So what actions can be taken to reduce pollution? Well, firstly, I think in schools and institution, teach student to the importance of safe environment, clean environment, and thus we can create awareness among the masses and plant trees. And we should be encourage more and more children to plant more and more tree, because we take oxygen from the trees. And if the people increase deforestation, one day we people are die due to the breathing problem. So can the police or local authority take any action to reduce the noise pollution? Well, they can also play a vital role in the society, because they are the servant of the public. So I think they create a strictness in the area by imposing a penalty, and who uh, who have a responsible for a excessive and loud noise should charge a high penalty against it, so that the offense not able to not dare to do repeat the delinquency and crime. What actions can be taken against people who create noise? I think they can uh, fine heavily, and the source of noise can be confiscated. And apart from this, they also uh, conceal on media this offense are doing this type of activity. So when they so the next question is, we reach on 132 question. So what type of exercise can a person do in our city? Well, in my hometown, people like to do a yoga, workout, going gym, weightlifting. It is a very popular these days. What are the benefit of doing exercise? So various benefit of exercise. Firstly, it remain healthy and fit, and secondly, it increase our immunity. What type of exercise are become popular nowadays? Well, meditation, sports, gym is very popular among youngster these days. How do people of your society keep themselves fit? Well, people in my society like to do a regular jogging, and they also go for a gym, so they keep healthy and fit, because you know that people are very busy in their work schedule, follow sedentary lifestyle. So they mostly go to a jogging near the park, where all normal equipment are available. People like to do push-ups and various type of weightlifting exercise, so the movement become a flexible and they become a fit as a fitter. Do you think going to a gym has become a status symbol? Yes, we can say that for somewhat, because it is a very popular activity among a youngster. And because you know that youngster are go for a gym not for not for not for exercise. They go for grooming their personality and looking good. I think it is not good, because as you know, the now the students and youngster are taking intake of various type of body weight intakes, which is a very harmful impact on long term. Do you like to see painting which are hang on the wall in your house? Well, yes. Oh yes, I like to watch a painting which is hung on my living room. Actually, I feel relaxed and very calm when I saw the painting, because it is a very religious and authentic painting. It is a very unique painting which is gifted by my grandmother. So whenever I feel sad, it is a source of motivation. How does an artist get idea of what to paint? Well, you know, artist has a very creative person. They always find artwork through the visualization. Sometimes they inspire from the any book whenever they go for a trip, and sometimes they watch a movie and they got an idea. So what is the difference between painting and photography? Well, both are very technical words, but both are different, because painting is a typical word. It is a handmade tool which is imaginative, made by the artist man. But where is a picture is taken by digitally, and it is a real, and it can capture by any person. So how many times a day you receive call? Well, about 4 or 5 phone calls I receive from my work, and a couple of phone come from my friends. So what is the difference between mobile phones and land phones? Well, mobile phones, as we know, are very portable, and there are many feature we can use that, like Cambly, WhatsApp, social media, and Twitter. There are many types of facilities are available, text messaging. But where is a landline have a only make a phone call, and it is stuck on the one place. So what is the favorite mode of communication? Well, I am very tech savvy person. I like to use advanced technology because I am a modern person. I like to interact with my friends through chat, text messaging, and video call conferencing. So the last page is रह गया आपका, ठीक है. So which form of technology are you using at home or office? Well, as you know, I'm a tech savvy person. I use a variety of technology. I use laptop and smartphone in my home or office, and I have also install AC in my room. And what are the good and bad effect of internet? Well, internet fastest source of information, and we easily communicate with the people, relatives, family, because you know people are now live very far from their family to earning a high income. So social media is a very good tool to interact with their family members and stay connected with them. But the vast use of internet has given birth of cyber crime, and apart from this, they also the overusing of the internet has also it increased the over addiction. Okay, some people have become addicted to the technology. What are the application of a computer? Well, there are many types of applications, because I use calculation every day for my assignment and work. It is also helpful to make my assignment and model, and gaining a technical understanding of the subject. I also use a various type of softwares to increase my communication skills. So I think a laptop is very useful. How are the computer helpful in education? Well, firstly, they help us to making project and assignment. Secondly, it give us a quick information about any topic, and secondly, our typing speed is increased. We can we live in a digital world, so learning a computer is so much important these days. Do you think why do people get attracted to celebrities? Well, as you know, people are blindly follow their role model, because and they also imitated their attires, their outfits, and has anything the role model they do. And because the childrens are want to make those type of person, so that's why they follow them. Do you think endorsement or by celebrity is the right option? Yes, I think it is a right, because it is a help to protect the sale. It is also helpful for company to increase their sales, and also make people aware about the new product in the market. But it is also responsibility of the celebrity to introduce a good product to the society and convey the right message to the society, because it work as a mediator in a company and the ultimate consumer, and there is a role model of the citizen who are follow them. And if they promote anything, people are blindly buy this too. So I think celebrities have also does not misuse their disuse their followers, their fans. They always convey the right message and selling the good thing, which is quality and a reasonable price. So what are the impact on new generation? Well, as we discussed before, the young generation are blindly follow, and so that's why there's a many positive and negative effect on them, depending on the what kind of actions they take these days. Okay, सो दोस्तों, क्वेश्चंस हो गए हैं ख़त्म. अब करिए ऐश, क्योंकि अब अगले वीडियो में मैं आपको टेम्पलेट दूंगा, और उसके बाद मैं आपको वैराइटीज़ ऑफ वर्ड्स दूंगा, वो कैप दूंगा कि कैसे आप टास्क 2 को अच्छा से अच्छा इफेक्टिव लिख सकते हैं, और जैसे मैंने 7.5 अचीव किया आप भी अचीव कर सकते हैं. सो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.